Good YouTube, it's your girl Z Babe with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make this holiday drink. I really just thought about making, so if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and a shout out to all my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all. Let's get right into the video. I don't got time to BS because I got things to do, so we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna tell you what you need to make this drink right quick, so let's get it. Eggnog, any eggnog you prefer. I got this from Costco, so I'm gonna end up using this. You're going to need you some liquor because we want this drink to be good and we want it to be tasty. So you're going to need some liquor. You're also going to need a blender because I'm going to put the stuff in this blender. You're also going to need some ice cream of your choice. I'm choosing to use this pumpkin cookie dough. So we're about to see what it's going to be. So just keep watching the video and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I like sativa in my milk and cookies. I light it brighter than my tree. And maybe I'm more selfish than I should be, but sometimes sharing ain't as sweet. Santa, forgive me. I'm higher than a sleigh in the skies. So keep out my chimney. Got all your baggage killing my vibe. Dear Sandy, goodbye, I'm over this. Your promises are hard to believe. Baby, I don't need your gifts, your freaky little list. Yeah, who the hell are you to judge me? 'Cause it's nice to be naughty. 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 So Santa, burn my letters. I'm on to something better. To
Far how everything is looking, so it's in there. I don't have too much ice, but I do have enough in there, and the ice cream is already cold.
never tell me it's nicer to be naughty. Sandy, goodbye, I'm over this. Your promises are hard to believe. Baby, I don't need your gifts, your freaky little list. Yeah, who the hell are you to judge me? 'Cause it's nice to be naughty.
This is it right here. Make sure it's hot.
It's nice to be naughty. It's nice to be naughty. I've always given you my best behavior. You gave me everything.
Shaker, like I don't know what I'm doing, but it's like a little bit too much watery for me, so I'm about to add some more ice cream. I'm kind of irritated just because the drink, it is like, it's milk, but it's not as thick as I wanted it to be. But we about to just go ahead and do the thing because yeah, I already started concocting it. So yeah, let me add a little bit. It is really, really strong though. Really strong. Add my little whipped cream to the drink. Yeah, move the whipped cream over. So that's my drink, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and have me a straw. So this is the drink. Anybody can obtain this. My little Snoopy, he got his little glasses on, so yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is the drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I don't even know, on this channel I do whatever fills my mind, but I really wanted to make a holiday drink, and the holidays are coming up, so I hope you guys try this. This drink is super good. It's very strong. I want y'all to think I was capping, so. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. Very strong too. So go ahead and give this a try. Try it out. But I super love my milkshake. For adults only. Do not give this to your kid. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna do my try-on haul, but it's not gonna be tonight because your girl's tired. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oops.